We're relaunching the Bid Toolkit, our online bid process and guide with training content baked into it. So the Bid Toolkit is a full bid process online like nothing else in the world. It's completely unique. It takes you through how to write successful, compelling, compliant bids to clients cradle to grave. It takes you through how to prepare for bids effectively before their release. It takes you through how to make good bid decisions and then how to develop your win strategy and kick your bid off with everybody aligned, how to develop your solutions and then storyboard your content effectively to make sure we're scoring all the points we should, how to execute on that in the writing stage, how to write great content, how to review those bids effectively and submit them safely. It has some content in there on how to present effectively to clients in a presentation phase, and then what we need to do in terms of lessons learnt and continuous improvement at the end there to make sure we don't make the same mistakes again, we continually improve. And so all of that process content is free to air. You're very welcome to look at that free of charge whenever you like. We've then got some paid content, some very low cost training videos baked into the pages and also collected together in the store where that will take you through in a next level of detail how to become an expert in how to do these things. And then we have a series of tools that you're very welcome to pay a few quid to download too. And so we're going to be putting out lots of more free content around that, blog posts, top tips videos, 101 guides, etc. And we hope you find that all useful. So whether you're an individual looking to develop yourself, a small business owner looking to scale your business, particularly in the UK public sector, there's something for everyone.